Welcome to this tutorial on how to blur background in Google Meet. Blurring your background during video meetings can help maintain privacy and minimize distractions. To get started, ensure you have the latest version of Google Meet installed on your device. First, launch Google Meet and join or start a meeting. Once you are in the meeting, click on the three vertical dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open a menu with various options. From this menu, select the option that says Apply Visual Effects. In the Visual Effects menu, you will see an option to change your background. Click on this option and select the Blur option. Your background will now be blurred, and you will be the main focus of the video. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut to blur your background. To do this, press the period key on your keyboard to toggle the blur effect on and off. It is worth noting that blurring your background may not work perfectly in all situations, especially if you have a complex or dynamic background. However, it can still be an effective way to maintain privacy and reduce distractions during video meetings. In addition to blurring your background, you can also use other visual effects to enhance your video meetings. For example, you can use virtual backgrounds or add text and images to your video feed. To remove the blur effect and go back to your normal background, simply click on the three vertical dots again and select the option to turn off visual effects. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to toggle the blur effect off. In conclusion, blurring your background in Google Meet is a simple and effective way to maintain privacy and reduce distractions during video meetings. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily blur your background and enhance your video meeting experience.